Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem, recent contest problems, and this problem is from roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So Chef recently revamped its practice page to make it easier for users to identify the next problems they should solve by introducing some new features. Recently contest problems contain only problems from the last two contests in the recent contest problem. Separate unattempted, attempted, and all tabs. Problem difficulty rating, we have the feature, like four features we have. So it's like the recommended drop down menu has various difficulty ranges so that you can attempt the problems more suited to your experience. Popular topics and tags we have. So these are the four features we have. So what they're saying is Chef has been participating regularly in rated contests but missed the last two contests due to his college exams. He now wanted to solve them, and so he visits the practice page to view these problems. So given a list of n contest codes where each contest code is either start 38 or L time 108. So help Chef count how many problems were featured in each of the contests. So since we have missed two contests, so you need to find like in each contest how many questions they have asked, and it is very easy. It's like when you have started 38, that question belongs to start 38, and if you have L time, that belongs to 108. So okay, let's first deal with the test cases. So we have in input the test case. So for every test case, we are going to call a function solve, right? And each test case contains two lines of input. The first line of input will contain the n, which is basically the number of questions appeared in both the contests. It's not like in one contest. It's like in both the contests. So the second line of input contains the list of n contest codes. Each code is either start 38 or L time 108, to which each problem belongs. So yeah, let's understand some of the examples. There have been four examples. In the first example, you have three codes. So let's understand that. So in the first example, in the last two contests, there are three problems, and those three problem codes are start 30, L time 108, start 30, which means this problem belongs to, let's say, contest 1. And obviously, since these problem both have same the codes, this will also belongs to contest 1. And since L time 108 is not equal to these two codes, so it will belong to contest 2. So definitely, if you see, we'll have to display what? Yeah, you'll have to display in the output forward. We have in the first you'll have to display starter 38. It's not 30, it's 38. My bad. So it's like when you're displaying, so how many start 38 questions are there? You have to display. You have 2, and then L time 108. You have 1. So it is space separated. So you'll have to display this. So in the second case, you have start 30 as 1, so 1 you are displaying, and then L time 108 as 3, 1, 2, 3, so you'll be displaying 3. In the next test case, you have two problems, so both has L time 108, which means in start 38 you don't have any problem, you don't have any coding problem. In the L time 108 you have two problems. So same way goes with this example also. So it's very easy. We just need to maintain, take start 38 as 0 and L time 108 as 0, which means initially you don't have any problems, coding problems. Now when you are taking one by one codes of the problem. You just take string as codes. So now you'll have to input the value in a codes. Like for this particular problem, what is the code? So if you find that this codes of 0 is equals to s, like if you see in these two codes, what is the difference? Difference is like first character is having difference, it is having s and it is having n. So you don't need to like compare all these strings. You can compare only one. So if you have codes, which means your start 38, this particular problem belongs to start 38 contest, else it belongs to L time 108. And at the end they've said you like just print start 38 count and L time count. Let's try to run it. We should be expecting 21130224. So indeed we are getting. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So this was a very easy problem. Just a twist, like not twist, it's lengthy, question is lengthy, but in a nutshell, it's very easy. You need to just count the start 38 and L time 108, and you just display these two values. You just display these two values. So thank you guys for watching the video.